Eras Vital, heilende Kraft der Natur.
How to make a healthy fruit herbal tea with chaga mushroom. You will need a tea bag of chaga mushroom or powder, half of a liter of water, a water cooler, a kettle, dried fruits or herbs according to your choice. The amount of fruits and herbs depends entirely on your wishes. After steeping tea, you can supplement the drink with honey and fresh lemon. In this video, we will tell you how to make chaga with berries using a tea bag. So, we put a tea bag of chaga with herbs and fruits in a thermos. Boil the water to 80 degrees and pour it into the thermos. Close the thermos and leave to infuse for 6-8 hours. Thanks to the closed lid of the thermos, all the active components will be slowly and carefully removed from the chaga mushroom. Save time and put the drink to infuse overnight to drink it during the next day. Take it with you to work or travel. The bag of chaga is disposable. After use, it should be disposed. The fruits and berries in the tea will become soft. They can be eaten or filtered through a sieve and added to a cup before use. You can steep tea bags with chaga in a cup, but this way you will not get the expected effect. Due to the short steeping time of the tea, the active substances of the mushroom will not be extracted in full and your drink will contain less active substances. Look for traditional recipes and useful information about chaga mushroom in a free ebook. Follow the link in the description of the video.